All right. Ladies and gentlemen, due to millions of requests, we would like to present another poetry department. Okay? And to present his first piece, ladies and gentlemen, para sa inyong kaiga-igayang pakikinig. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome Marvic.
UFO. UFO, UFO. Why is it you always show, but you don't talk to us? And you don't come down dito? UFO, UFO. Do you know because of you, here on Earth, mukha kaming GAGO. In other words, Jado. One day, I was standing beside a small banyo. I saw something flying. I thought it was UFO. When it fell on the ground, twins palang flying saucer. It was not what I thought. It was your brassiere. Last night, I was bothered by my girlfriend's UBO. She was coughing and coughing. Siya'y ubo ng ubo. When she stopped to ubo, I still couldn't sleep, you know. The reason I couldn't stand her strong BO. Wow! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you also. Thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the next poet. T-I-T-O.
Bibinawan mo yung pananalita mo, ha?
Ang palaka.
Alam niya, may sound effects pa ito, ah.
May palakang kokak. May palakang bukid. Ang kanilang pagkokak-kokak sa tenga ko'y music. May palakang singer. Siya ay palakanta. Sikat na sikat ito. Siyang star ng Muppet Show. May palakang batugan. Yan ang palakain. Huwag niyo ito tularan. Siya ay palaka rin. Sa mga palaka, ako ay humahanga. Mga anak nila'y pawang mabubuti, pagkat anak nila ay mga butete. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, PIP. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to do my piece.
My rubber shoes. I am a simple man. I live in a simple house. And my only housemate, a little ugly mouse. I am not a rich boy, but myself is the boss. And my only treasure, my rubber shoes. I have no other love but my rubber shoes. I spend my pastime only by rubbing toes. My rubber shoes, my rubber shoes. They're nice for the eyes. They're nice for the feet, but not so good for the nose. One day, I met a girl while I'm riding a bus, just like my rubber shoes. Oh, she is very cute. And I gave her my seat. I paid for 2 tickets. Binayaran ko. The cost of knowing her, only 30 centavos. In just only 1 year, to her I did propose. I like her very much. She likes my rubber shoes. Oh, this coming Sunday, I will be married. But one thing sure, I'll wear my rubber shoes. Thank you.
Thank you. Meron pa ba? Mga kaibigan,
Wish it.
at this point, we would like to call on our special guest. Our special guest in this concert, in this poetry department. Narito po ang pinakamagaling at walang kasing galing na manunula.
Sige na.
Magaling tumula. Pinakamagaling na tumula sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Walang iba kundi si Richie the Poet.
Remember. Remember M. Remember E. Put them together and remember me.
Haba, ay, sino man ang tula mo, haba mo?
Ah, sige.
Medyo modern. Islambok lang yun. Hinahanap mo pa yung kodigo mo. Kanya ka?
Butot balat, lumilipad, saranggola. PNE plus PNE equals Pepe. Put them together, saranggola ni Pepe. Oh, sige.
Ba't puro ka put yan together? Puro ka put yan
Oh,
together.
hindi na put them together. Sige na, mahusay talaga.
Mga kaibigan, narito po siya at ang kanyang paboritong tulain ang tungkol sa mga hayop.
Ito yung pinanalo ko sa Batangas. Ako'y may alaga, asong mataba. Buntot ay mahaba, makinis ang muka. Mahal niya ako, mahal ko rin siya. Kaya kaming dalawa, ngayon mag-asawa.
Wala niyang aso yung swerte, pinakasalan ng kabayo ah. Oh, music! Yun ang tulang, hayop sa hayop. Music!